Cuisine is only about making food taste the way they are supposed to taste. Hi guys, my name is Derek Nkum and welcome to another episode on Be a Ghanaian. Today on Be a Ghanaian, we are going to learn how to prepare Kokonte. Kokonte is made from dry pounded cassava mixed with hot water and salt, usually brownish or chocolate brown in color depending on the cassava used in the preparation. Kokonte can be served with palm soup, groundnut soup, some even serve with light soup, others eat with pepper sauce. So before we learn about this process, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos about Ghana. Let's go for a quick break. I'll be right back. Welcome back. To prepare Kokonte, you need your powdered cassava, oil, I need my stirring rod, water. I'll put my cooking pot on fire. So I'll pour my water into the cooking pot on fire and cover it and leave it to boil for a while. Okay. So once it starts boiling, I'll pour my powdered cassava into it and I stir. So let's allow it to boil for some time. Our water is boiling. We fetch the powdered cassava flour. And once we stir, mix it. Stir till it mixes completely with the water. Alright, so you continue stirring. You continue stirring till it becomes soft. Continue stirring till it becomes soft. And when you see that it's too hard, you can add little water to it and mix it very well so that it softens. Okay? Sometimes it can become hard. So when it's becoming hard, you add little amount of water to it and you allow it to boil a little. Then you stir. After continuous stirring, you realize that now your kokonte is soft and ready to eat. So after constant stirring, I realize your kokonte is ready. Next is you have to scoop it into a bowl, and what we'll be using to scoop into a bowl is our calabash. So we have our oil, palm oil. So what this palm oil will do is we just spread it in the calabash. so that when we scoop it out, when we scoop the Kokonte out, to not stick in the calabash again. Now I'll put it into my bowl. This is the Kokonte. I'll put it into my bowl. Whoa, so we are done with our preparation of Kokonte. So this is basically the easy steps of preparing Kokonte. It's very fast, right? Yeah. My name is King. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can connect with us on all our social media platforms, Be a Ghanaian, or visit our website www.beaghanaian.com. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out.
Too much. It's too much. Nice man.